In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take a Word or a Google document and turn it into a PDF that students can input their responses to. This would be particularly helpful for students that need to type their responses in due to various accommodations, or if you feel like having the whole class type in information. You can create your old documents into PDFs that will allow them to type their responses. So first thing you want to do is open up your document and you want to save it as a PDF. And then you want to go to pdfescape.com, and there's a free online version of this which works fine, so just use the free online version. And when you click on the free online version, you will then want to upload the PDF that you just created to PDF Escape, and you can either drag it from your file or upload it from your file. And once you select that, it will go ahead and open up your PDF onto this platform. And so once you have your PDF in PDF Escape, it's really going to be easy for you to just select over on the left side and click on Form Field to input these boxes that students will be able to enter their responses to. In this case, we want them to use text for their responses. So where I have traditionally on my Google Handout places for students to write their responses, I'm just going to go ahead and create these boxes for students to be able to type their responses in. And this will be very helpful because if you share your Word document and have students type it in, sometimes the formatting can get messed up. So being able to take our documents and convert them into a PDF and then just easily format it for students to be able to type their responses is another good alternative to be able to use. And so each area where I want a student to respond after questions from reading or from watching a video, I'm just going to go ahead and add these boxes. So here I have a writing activity. I'm going to add a box, and then I have some vocabulary. So I'll create boxes so that students can type their responses here. And if you make your boxes too large or too small, you can make adjustments. It's not really a big issue. You can just simply go up to the top here, and I'm going to click the pencil icon. And when I click in the box, I can then start making adjustments to the sizes of the box. And even if I create a box by accident, I can easily delete it as well. Now, once you have all of your boxes created, what you're going to want to do is you're going to click on the pencil icon and then click on one of the formatted boxes. And then on the left here is kind of a wrench icon. When you click on that, it's going to bring up this form field properties box. And I want my students to be able to type multiple lines if they need to. And so I'm just going to select the multiple line option on the box. Now, there's a lot more that you can do in PDF Escape as far as required fields, the size of the font, and uh, what the alignment is, and so forth. But here I'm just going to show you real simple formatting each of these boxes so that students can type in multiple line responses. So when they open their PDF on their Chromebooks, they'll see boxes in each of these sections, and when they put their cursor in there, it will allow them to type in their responses right on their handout. All right, so a couple more of these boxes here. And then what we want to do is you can save it to your laptop, or you can download the PDF to your laptop. And it will go ahead and save that document for you. What I like to do is I'll save it to my desktop or downloads, and then I'll go into my Google Drive and I'll go to the unit that my worksheet goes with, and I'll place a copy in there so that I always have it easily available. And it doesn't typically take this long for it to save. And once you get used to using it, this will be a really quick way for you to convert those Google Docs into these interactive handouts through PDF. Again, saving a lot of time, and particularly if you have to offer an alternative to writing to some of our students. And then you're just going to go into Schoology, and what you want to do is create an assignment, title your assignment, and in the description, I always put in to have my students save a copy to their Chromebooks. So I have students create a file for world history on their desktop, and then what I want them to do is I want them to save this file um, to that file on their desktop. And the reason is if they come into Schoology and they click on the PDF every single time, it's going to create a new PDF for them. And so in the past, we've had students that have had like 10 PDFs of this one handout. But if they save the copy first to their Chromebook, and particularly in their course folder, when they go back in to work on it, it will save it and it will just have that one PDF file, which will make it very easy for them. And so you see here when they come in the assignment and you load it as a PDF and click on it, it will bring it up, and you can see that students will just click on the boxes and be able to input their responses right on the PDF document. And so hopefully this video has helped you and given you an opportunity to try something new in your classroom and also save you a lot of time.